Good morning. First one of the day, Triumph Bonnieville. This is a new client. I don't know whether he's just recently acquired this, but it's in for a bit of Trott TLC. We're going to do one of our legendary full Monty valets on this, get a bit of corrosion protection on it, get all these wheels cleaned up the best we can. It does have a bit of pitting on the inside of that chrome where this little ridge is. It always attracts all the moisture. Get these discs cleaned up. Looks like someone's hacked at these engine cases previously, so it's all scratched up. We'll do the best we can with those, get those polished up. Like I said, more than anything, get a bit of corrosion protection on it. These things do corrode if they're left sitting around for a while. So we'll get all these rims polished up the best we can. Same with the spokes. Get some corrosion protection. Oh God, I don't know what they've done to this. Looks like someone's tried to polish up this rocker cover, but they are painted. You can't polish those. But we will repolish all these engine cases, get some corrosion protection on it, get it looking like it should. I will do a single stage polish on this tank. Don't know whether you can see in this camera, but this is all got loads of spider webs and scratches on it. So we'll get all that polished up. Touch up a few rusty bits and pieces, missed it with some XCP corrosion. Get it looking like it should, get it protected for the years ahead. Give me a few hours. Okay, she's been fully washed, decontaminated, and degreased. Now time to crack on with a bit of detailing. Got some painting to do on the center and side stands. It's a shame that they've tried to sand this down at some point. I'm going to try to paint that, see if I can match it up. I've got some rusty nuts and bolts which need a little attending to. Not too sure what has been done to this cover previously. Look how pitted it is. It's like it's corroded at some point and someone's tried to sand it down. It is a mess. So we're gonna see if we can polish that up a bit. Got a few rusty nuts and bolts to sort out before we put any corrosion protection on, and then we'll crack on with a bit of polishing. Look at the side covers, what a mess. Okay, cracking on with this Bonnieville. Rims have all been polished. I've done the best I can with these engine cases. Like I said, someone has got at them previously, really scarred them up. But we've done what we can. Polished up the exhaust. Rear wheels all been polished. This clutch cover, what the hell is going on with that? Anyways, now time to crack on with a bit of paint correcting, as I have a limit on this bike. She's got quite a few marks on it. Let's see if we can work some magic on these covers, and then we'll work up top. Well, there you go, 4 hours on the dot. I've done what I can with this old Bonnieville. Looking a tad bit better. This has had one of our legendary full Monty valets with some extra engine case polishing. We've done all this chrome, polished these wheels up the best I can, managed to remove a lot of that surface rust, but unfortunately it's a little pitted. Touched up a few bits and pieces on the engine cases. They're in a bit of a state, those. Looks like it's had a lot of corrosion at some point before, because lots of scratches where somebody's tried to polish it up, as with the engine cases. But we've done what we can with it. 4 hours on the dot. Got all those discs all meticulously cleaned up, polished up this engine case. I've done a 2-stage polish on all this bodywork. Got a nice bit of gloss back to it. Managed to remove a few of those marks. The header pipes are chrome on these, so I can't really polish those up like I can if they're stainless, but we have polished. Got them up as good as possible. Everything's had a nice coating of the XCP corrosion protection all down the front of the frame. All your underneath has been coated, as well as the engine block and the spokes. Yeah, 4 hours on the dot. Trott full Monty valet. Get yours booked in now. We're open 6 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. Give us a buzz, 07966 249 963.